Ini adalah the role of language, anxiety, and other emotion in language learning. Introduction. The term affect include many things such as feeling of self-confidence, feeling willing to communicate, or feeling anxious. Perhaps the most widely studied affective reaction to L2 communication. Language anxiety is a term that encompasses the feeling of worry and negative, fear-related emotion associated with learning or using a language that is not an individual's mother tongue. In the classroom, anxious learners tend to freeze up in role-play activities, forget previously learned material, are less likely to volunteer answer, and participate less than their non-anxious counterparts. Research approach to foreign language anxiety. Data in the literature set above has come from both quantitative and qualitative measures, and more recently and frequently a combination of the two approaches. Quantitative measures have, for the most part, used like-scale self-reporting, where participants are asked to respond to items that measure their agreement with statements indicative of foreign language anxiety. Example of current research. Even in such a brief exchange, we see effective reactions such as rising and falling confidence, anxiety, and motivation are evoked quickly and individual difference. Example, extraversion can play a role. And then language in the form of grammar and vocabulary are produced. And then cognition is triggered. Why did he say hello to me? It's just a greeting. This is a chance to practice English with a native speaker. And then ongoing metacognition and self-evaluation also are relevant to the linguistic exchange. And then introduction, and then it is a common perception among language teaching that the acquisition of L2 competence doesn't necessarily lead to communicate in the L2. Approach to research on the construct. The research investigated the extent to which different tasks affect the level of WTC and or amount of speaking time, the extent to which WTC varies over time, attribution that participants make for increase and decrease in their WTC level. Future direction for research. These include the following. 1. The approach taking a dynamic system theory perspective should be pursued, and it allows the analysis of VTC as a dynamic system that changes in response to change of all the other variables that might affect VTC within the system. The third, from a pedagogical perspective, of utmost concern is how we can change learners' VTC so as to help it grow. I introduced two examples from our studies above. However, more research is still needed to assess the effect of educational practice of change in the WTC level. The strategies, the interface of style, strategies, and motivation on tests. The aim of this chapter is to consider the psychological dimension of language learning strategies in an effort to make the construct more accessible to those working in the field of language learning. Language learner strategies. There is classification, research, and practice. To construct language learner strategies has been defined and consequently researched in numerous ways over the years. My own working definition is thought and action, consciously chosen and operationalized by language learning to assist them in carrying out a multiplicity of tests from the very onset of learning to the most advanced level of target language performance. Two contrasting views about strategies emerge, each with its merits. First, that the actual strategies that learners use to complete tests are likely to be detailed, specific, and combined in sequence or cluster with other strategies. And the second, that is the best to conceptualize strategies at a more global, flexible, and general level. Example of current research, there is Rochelle, a senior majoring in Asian language and literature, and prior Spanish study in high school. Thus, watching a Japanese drama without using subtitle with the goal to understand as much of the episode as possible. Future direction for research and consideration for pedagogy. In an ideal language learning situation, learners become informed consumers of L2 at an early age, maximize their experience is and out of class, and become lifelong users of a host language, thus enriching their interaction with other in numerous speech communities around the world and enhance their employment prospects and performance globally. Learning style traversing the quagmire. On first acquaintance, the language learning style concept intuitively appealing. What are learning style? Learning style have been defined an individual natural, habitual, and preferred way of absorbing, processing, and retaining new information and skill. This definition has proven to be enduring, but the existence of other closely related concepts has caused much confusion. Therefore, considering their learning style are it is helpful to begin by considering what they are not. Characteristic of learning style. In particular, learning style may vary according to the context in which the learning occurs. Since what works for a particular individual in environment or for what in particular task may not work from other elsewhere, engage in different activities. One of the silent characteristics of learning style research has been the use of taxonomy, which have attempted to identify, label, and categorize learning. And then it is originally defined learning style from five dominant of preference, environmental, that is sound, light, temperature, and design. Ada juga emotional, that is motivation, persistence, responsibility, and then structure. Kemudian dari sociological, learning alone, in pairs, with peers, in team, with adult psychologists, perceptual preference, food and drink intake, time of day, mobility, and then from psychological, global or analytic preference, impulse, reflect, resulting in four type of learner. The first one is converger, active experimentation, abstract conceptualization. Accommodator, active experimentation and construct experience. And then assimilator, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization. Diverger, reflective observation, construct experience. Thank you. If you have a question, please give your question in the discussion column in Litera. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.